Good evening. Tonight we're going to continue on with Unit 3, Lesson 23. Solve multi-step word problems and interpret remainders. All right, Carla has 375 beads. She uses the beads to make bracelets. Each bracelet has 9 beads. So this is a two-part question. What is the greatest number of bracelets Carla can make? So we're going to be dividing. We have a total here. And she has the word each. So what is the greatest number? Well, we're going to divide. So we have 9. We have 9 goes into 375. So 9 times what gives you close to 37? Well, that would be a 4. 4 times 9 is 36. We subtract, we get 1. Bring down your 5. Now we have 15. 9 times what gives us close to 15? Well, I guess that just would be 1. 1 times 9 is 9. And we have a remainder of 4. Okay, so what is the greatest number of bracelets she can make? She can only really make 41 bracelets because there are 4 beads left over. That can't make a bracelet because you need 9 beads. There are 4. You need 5 more in order to do that. So now it's telling us Carla sells all the bracelets at $4. How much money does she earn? Well, we're going to take that 41 and we are going to multiply by $4. So 41 times 4 is 164. Oh my goodness, $164. 149 children and 119 adults are at a party. How many people are at the party, right? Well, that's the first part. So that is just basically an addition problem. So we have 149 plus 119. So 9 plus 9 is 18, carry the 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 1 is 6. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have 268 people at this party. But now you got to feed those people. The people at the party eat pizza. Each pizza has 8 slices. What is the fewest number of pizzas needed for each person to have 1 slice? So each person to have 1 slice. So if there's 268 people at that party and each person is going to get 1 slice, we need to know how many pizzas we need to buy. So we're going to be dividing. We have our total, which is 268, and we're going to be dividing by 8 because there's 8 slices in a pizza. So 268 divided by 8. So 8 can't go into 2, but it can go into 26. How many times? It can go in, 3 times. 3 times 8 is 24. 26 minus 24 is 2. We bring down our 8. 8 divided by 2 is, 8 times 4 is 32. So I guess we're going to be doing 3 again. 3 times 8 is 24. We minus 24 from 28 and we get 4. So it's 33, remainder 4. But can we really have a party where 4 people are not going to get a slice? And that's kind of rude. So can we really, how many pies do we really have to order? Well, you have to make sure these 4 people get a slice. We are going to order right now. We have 33 pies that we need to order, but that we're going to tell 4 people that they can't eat. That's not going to happen. So what we have to do is we have to add on an extra pie so those 4 people can have a slice too. So you really need to order 34 pies. Shen collects 1,242 cans of pet food. He gives 150 cans to the vet. Then he packs 9 cans in each box to give to the animal shelter. How many cans of pet food are not in a box? All right, so here's our total. All right, but he's giving these cans to the vet. So this part, this is a two-parter, and the first part is we're going to be subtracting. So because we have to remove the 150. So because he gave those away. 1,242 minus 150. All right, so here we go. 2 minus 0 is 2. We can't do 4 minus 5, so we need to borrow. That becomes a 0. This becomes a 14. 14 minus 14 minus 5 is 9. Bring down your 1,000. So he has 1,092 cans left to give to the shelter once he takes away the 150. So now we have to divide because he wants to know there's 9 cans in each box. That's what he has to pack. So 9, 1,092. And if you look at the question, how many cans of pet food are not in the box? Well, they're looking for the remainder, guys. So 9 can't go into 1, but it can go into 10 one time. 1 times 9 is 9. And then we're going to subtract. 10 minus 9 is 1. Bring down your 9, and now you have 19. Now we're going to go back to dividing. 9 times what gives us 18? Well, it goes in twice, because 2 times 9 is 18. We subtract, we get 1. Bring down the 2, and we have a 12. We go back to division. 9 goes into 12. Well, it only goes in once. 1 times 9 is 9. We subtract, and we're left over with 3. So how many are going into the box? Well, that is going to be 121 cans. But how many do not make it in the box? That would be, the answer would be 3 cans of dog food or pet food will not make it into the box because they were looking for the remainder. What gets wet while it's drying? It's interesting. Gotta solve the next problem to figure it out. Cameron has 18 eggs. He gets 79 more eggs from the chicken. He puts the eggs into cartons. Each carton can hold 6 eggs. What is the fewest number of cartons he needs for all the eggs? All right, this is a double stepper. So, and I also want your work tomorrow. What gets wet while it's drying? A towel. Have a good night.